Kejingekop mare jongka 5th Sohra International Half Marathon arjar arpunriu kan long haka Tarik Nailur arjar arpunriu but an sa ailat dang katway hajar ngut kinong chimbenta na kalengari but kibana bari ya gani kejingekop lapia ha lagi jongki kerdan ya gani kejingekop lapenya da Meghalaya State Olympic Association but Meghalaya Athletics Association harangkat kejingkersan lang jong katanat ileka jok sorkar jelah kumbalong haus nem balala ya kani kejingekop lamang ban pynlut lai klur tengka kibor penyat keleitu ba lakentiu ya ka kusnam na kebentak arpway ke elit kabalong lailak arlak bat shilak ya kibawan benengkong baar bat balai bat sanpau hajar ya kisangut kibawan consolation.
Regarding the registration, we will be starting from the 1st of July till the 15th of August. But if the total numbers reach 11,000 before 15 August, the portal will be closed. So everyone who want to register, they can go to the MSOA website, MeghalayaOlympicAssociation.com. From there, landing page is there for the Sohra run. It will be live from 1st of July. So everyone can go there, but just to inform you, like once you log in there, like all the details you will have to fill up, and after your payment is successful, then your registration is confirmed. So I request everyone, like your registration is confirmed only after payment is made. So please make sure, because some of them they just fill and then they thought of paying it later. That will not happen. So once you fill, means payments have to be done, so that your registration will confirm. So I request everyone to please take care of this. And then also we have given all the rules and regulations regarding the run. A consent form is there where you have to tick it before you make payment. So because like all the rules are there, so that everyone like later on it will be easy for us also. Like if you have any issue or any problems, everything is there. Like we have to explain everything. And we will also like to inform, like for the t-shirts and all will be distributed from the 1st of September, 1st to 3rd of September. So I request everyone to please don't wait for the last day. Try to come from the day one to collect your registration, at least to avoid the crowd. Like last year, we had lots of people standing there. So this time also, like t-shirt now will be distributed from the 1st of September. So I request everyone to come early so that less rush will be there. So. I think regarding the registration, yeah, and then we have also helpline will be there. Once you go to the website, if you log into our page, helpline number is there. So you can, any queries, anything is there, you can contact these people. They will help you with registration. If you have any issue with your payment or registration, you can contact those number. They will be there 24/7 to assist you. Tarik Julai hadu Tarik August pada keempat yang baru kita pak register bagian login bagian net check up page yang Meghalaya Olympic Association kabari Meghalaya Olympic Association.com pada itu kan sedang ke page dedicated page tentang ni ke Sohra run di semua village hang tu di kita supli hang tu iklan step by step perlu berpendapat di form. But the registration jong fee kan long kabadi kena hadian mau fill up seal payment. Cuma fee pendap shop yang baca seal hadian next time federal dapat pendapnya. Tiga kerpat yang baru bagi menjutu bakla bahas hadian mau register yang baca seal sundal kan belum confirm ya kan registration jong fee. Makum belum lupa mende secretary bahwa meta kasian yang siapa kaduk hadway hajar word. Tiada kan ika numbers kat touch hadway hajar swap apor ya ka portal mengihapan close no. Nomor bakania kan pensuk ini hiji pengkre habarok pilihan. Pada kalian ke jongiru ila abu di toll free number kapa pila pun phone hantu bidal dibayar fee di badkan hatian pareng hatian kasi bad kunjo kada haru kibala pada sesifi kabede bad kumno bad pendap dan evident issues hak bayde bad offensive payment evident problem kan ite kila bad contact number ila 24/7 kena sesifi. Di kumban chat turu ba ya kini t-shirts iki bib number ya ki Iegi beda bakaran yang sedang bersam lalu Tarik September hadu lai Tarik bangga kerpan yang baru bakin sopa barwan shim no kamkloi berdua ya kelas dia nomor bakin sop barba kanam dan kejing kamnya itu isni nomor kumbang nilak macam sedang bah ka tugas ni khatu don ka pon ni por tang khatu sau buje ya pan khang khatu phra buje te ban teng teng ga ni ru ka pen thon ma badan ni ti volunteers la ki bhapan be sa sora pan tabiang shiru tang ni
from the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. We are very delighted to support and assist MSOA and Meghalaya Athletic Association in organizing the 5th Sohra International Marathon successfully. We are very eager and looking forward for the grand and exciting and prestigious events in the state. This time we're expecting even more participation from outside the country and from the elite runners because the course will also be certified by a world body called AIMS. So we're really looking forward for more participation from the best runners in the country. So we're ready to support and assist in whatever way we can. For the expenditure also, fund has already been earmarked. Last year the expenditure was approximately 3 crores. So we're earmarking the same amount for this year's event. So really looking forward for this exciting and prestigious event in the state of Meghalaya and in this beautiful place, Sohra. This is all from my side.
Treasurer. Once again, thank you all to the press and media. It was through your help and cooperation that last year also the event has run successful. It's through you that spread the news of this half marathon, Sohra International Half Marathon, that we successfully done last year. So once again, we welcome you all to this press conference. This year, as per requirement, all by the World Athletic, we have remeasured this course of the Sohra Marathon by the international certified measurer. I've done it and I've given a certificate. Now it's left only to be registered in the AIMS, which is the AIMS portal, which is the World Athletic Registered Marathon. So we, as Pak said, we look forward to see some more international. For the information of all of you, the route is the same as last year, except after the remeasurement, there's slight change in the distance also. So the competition is run in collaboration with MA, MSOA and DATRIT, and also with the technical expert of the Athletic Federation. The Federation accepted our proposal. So they will be doing all the technical thing so that the run is run smoothly. So this year also we have the same category, that is the 21 elite above 18, 21 Meghalaya Open 10K, Meghalaya Open 10K, Meghalaya Open 10K and the run for fun. So like last year we have about 10,550 registered runner, which is more than what we expect. So we expect this year also to be more participants, but we have decided that this year we'll take up to maximum 11,000 because of the route. For 5K especially, the roads are very narrow, so registration, actually the last date we have put is on the 15th August, but if it reaches 11,000 before that, we'll close entry. We have put in the website clearly, so some explained about the website, we have changed the rule also. So regarding this year, the prize money, we have changed only the elite. Elite, we have doubled the prize money from 1.5 to 3 lakhs. Second will get 2 lakhs, and the third 1 lakh. And the consolation is 50,000. So for the Meghalaya is 50, 30, 20. So for this prize money, I'll be sharing with you the media, where there are so many cash prize. So for entry, we have put elite is 2,000 rupees. And for the rest, Meghalaya 3, 1,000, 10K is 200 only, 5K 100, and for the Sohra region schools, and all the people staying that side the entry is free. So these are the same except change the prize money so that you want to have more top athlete to participate because the prize money has been doubled. So regarding the conduct this tournament, as you know that we are giving free t-shirts, we are giving free food, everything like that. So far the same, transportation, the route is the same, and all the nitty-gritty will be given, the detail will be in the website of the MSA as and when we start on the 1st of next month, the registration will begin. So we look forward for your cooperation to spread this news for the 5th Sohra Marathon, so we get more participants. I request all the participants not to wait till the last time. Well, later on they'll call about John, they'll call me, please this, please that. We cannot do that because t-shirt, this, that, we cannot buy at the last moment. So we are strictly set in yeah, so and for the competition, you know that chip is, once the boy on this, at that last date, that is the chip will come to Nailur from Hyderabad. This also is done by the timing technology from Hyderabad, the same firm that done this run. So all the technical expert is been handled by the AFI, you know, so that we don't have problem. And for the rest, like we are doing collaboration with the trade, they are looking after the card ceremony, the pudding, this, that, we are looking on the technical part, MSA, MA. So as we have worked together with the FT sport, we hope that this year also we will be working together for the success of this run. And you know, I think after those rock show, all this is the highest number of participants, they take 10,500. So it's a big show for the Nailur, and hope we get a good run this time. That new faces will come from international to run this event. And I appeal all those who are taking part also to kindly read the website carefully because they have to sign lots of forms. So Sun explained that, which time what to do. We have put a helpline also that they don't want to ask questions from me about John, it should be from the helpline, not from us. So only these things. So once again, thank you, press, media, print, and electronic for helping us. Last year I said it didn't do any publicity, but we got 10,500. So this time also, we hope to spread this news far and wide. Thank you for coming. Mulai Pak John, Pak Presiden dan Director Shera, Sana Treasurer, ini hantam yang di nomor petai kubur, di Malawan nan, pada Donkat, pada Marathon Lusan, kepada Sohra International Half Marathon. Ada di Thailand tempi buat media pada MSA pada Punjab dengan sport marathon kamdan nono jing guna nintai yang digaya gilaya be. Kami sekarang mentau senam punya Thailand ini dan penggunaan yang kubur untuk kita Sohra International Half. Jadi kumpul kreatif mentau senam ini mesti menteri pelat yang kami ajar di gerpa di baru akibat sebentar kin register WhatsApp yang last date kin register kat keluarga bola mungkin mesti hadir badak kat ajar. Wat di labu yang last date kat Tarik progress. Kompetitif ni dia race lah register dia lah tahu dia berbuat detik lah approve jadi saat stang conduct dia race lah akan penyak di Athlete Federation berapa kerja jadi BCA t-shirt skiban di transport itu di BCA muslim jadi kemen itu muslim nomor prize money lah pengkiu tang nampak gini elite tuan kalau Arsha nak silap stem segala lain anak silap gue baru ini unjuk ini air constellation sampai senam sedrong di you bagi lagi run for fun aspamat we are lagi gift bagi nang ni hendak standard is kermen kompetitif bagi volunteer so di Thailand bagi senang dengan so player rumah semai tergabung saya berjob di pengkod bagi disorok mai dak bro di Thailand bagi senang bagi dia baru ikam ukilaya identiti ikemen iba tahu senamru kalau don munjingnya ikemen beliau jinjok nang baga nam juga megalaya Sohra ru apa cuma medal su ngila sna ngadu dongga and a road bridge. Is in play with the road bridge to promote the tourism for Meghalaya. So Meghalaya ni la sang la aktif la punya federation tu minta problem minta no objection. I chip ko bidai wala timing technology Hyderabad. Ini baru kita ada kalau ya ketum rule an Sohra International Half Marathon. Tentang ini rutin tulis sebuah lagi.
So in this context, also congratulations for finding one. I'd like to once again thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Tarik.